Hello, and welcome to my channel. When you're busy and on the go, finding healthy, convenient, and satisfying snacks can be challenging. But with some planning, you can keep your energy levels up and avoid unhealthy snacking options. Today, we will discuss healthy snack ideas for when you're on the go. One of the easiest and healthiest snack options is fresh fruit. Fruits such as bananas, apples, oranges, and berries are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber and are easy to take wherever you go. Another great option is nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, and pumpkin seeds are all great sources of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're also portable and easily carried in a small bag or container. If you're in the mood for something savory, dry vegetable sticks such as carrots, celery, or cucumber with hummus or guacamole. These dips contain healthy fats and protein. The vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Protein bars are another great option for when you're on the go. These bars are convenient and help keep you full and satisfied between meals. Look for bars with whole food ingredients containing at least 10 grams of protein per serving. If you're looking for a sweet treat, try a small serving of dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is packed with antioxidants and has been shown to improve heart health. Look for chocolate that contains at least 70% cocoa solids and limit yourself to one small serving. Lastly, you can also make your own healthy snack options at home. Energy balls made with oats, nuts, and dried fruit are easy to make and can be stored in the fridge for a quick and healthy snack. You can also make your trail mix by combining nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. Remember, when it comes to healthy snacking, preparation is vital. Plan your snacks for the day or week, and ensure they are on hand when you're on the go. With these healthy snack ideas, you can satisfy your hunger and fuel your body with the necessary nutrients. Thanks for watching, and happy snacking!